All right, multiplying fractions might be the easiest thing to do. I think you'll find it easier than adding and subtracting. So to multiply a fraction, so if we have, let's say, 1/3 times 5/6, all you do is multiply the tops, multiply the bottoms, and reduce. So 1 times 5 is 5, 3 times 6 is 18. That's your final answer. So if we do one more example, and you had, let's say, 3/4 times 4/6, you'd have 12 over 24, and you would reduce always to 1/2. Multiply the tops, multiply the bottoms. Fairly straightforward. If you're multiplying something by a whole number, let's say it's 3/5 times 200. Even simpler. All you do is make that whole number a fraction by putting it over 1. Same thing. Now you have 600 over 5, and 5 goes into 600 120 times. There is one other way to go about doing that. So let's rewrite that. You could reduce ahead of time. What I mean by that, so you don't have this real big number, if you can take something out of the bottom and then take it out anywhere on the top, you're allowed to do that. So in this case, I could say 5 goes into 5 once, and then also take a 5 somewhere out on the top, and that would be 40. 5 goes into 200 40 times. So now you have 3 over 1 times 40 over 1 gets you to 120. Finally, mixed numbers. All you do with mixed numbers, turn them into improper fractions and multiply away. So if I have 5 1/4 times 4 2/3, turn them into impropers. So 5 times 4 plus 1 is 21 over 4, times 4 times 3 plus 2 is 14 over 3. Again, you don't need common denominators. Here, though, so now you have real big numbers. This is where I would reduce ahead of time. So if I can take something out of the bottom and the top, you're allowed to reduce ahead of time. 3 goes into 3 one time. I can take a 3 somewhere out of the top. 3 goes into 21 7 times. Can also reduce on here. 2 goes into 4 twice. 2 goes into 14 7 times. So now you have easier numbers. Now you have 49. 7 times 7 is 49. 2 times 1 is 2. And you should be turning that into a mixed number. Goes in 24 times with the remainder of 1. Okay, so reduce ahead of time if possible. Any mixed number should be turned to improper, and that's all there is to it.